welcome to my channel. I'm Collie with Kclifeadventures.
Oh, that's a big storm. That's a big tornado.
Look at those clouds up there. See that hook thing there? Right there, that one that comes down pointed?
Yeah.
Sometimes those come down, and those are what tornadoes come made out of sometimes. I don't think there's enough rotation.
I think I just saw the lightning strike.
Yeah, you did, because I saw the lightning too.
Whoa, it looks like a big tornado. Actually making a big tornado, but it's starting to get down. That's a monster cloud. Right there. Right above us. There's a monster cloud right above us. Wild.
That's so crazy.
We are here at the Geary County State Fishing Lake, and we're going to go out and check out the waterfalls, which we've got to walk down this, and it's somewhere down over here. We can hear them, but we haven't been able to see them yet. So let's go check it out. Going to head down and get a closer look to the waterfalls. And just so you know, this is definitely not ADA friendly, and it's actually kind of a steep climb, but I think it'll be worth it. Here on the side of the road, we came across this, not sure exactly what this is. A little shrine or something, I'm not sure. But as you can see here, they have "In God We Trust" with the eagle. And there's 3 crosses also. Inside the mailbox was a logbook, and there was some magnets there. There's a logbook and a magnet. Jesus died on the cross for our sins so that we could be saved. There's only 2 left, so I'm going to leave them for somebody else. This one here has the Lord's Prayer, and around all of these, people have written on the rocks with prayers. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. This here is actually a very beautiful day. It's a bit cloudy and overcast, but it's very nice. And this is just kind of a special little place that we just happened to come across. We've seen this driving by a lot of times, but we have never stopped until today. And quite a unique, special little find. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment so we can keep the channel growing. Thanks for watching.